Alright guys, this is my first weld ever, so don't judge me. Well guys, these welds aren't pretty, but it's attached. Check it out. What? What? Well, that one went way better. Check it out. Actually have welds. Obliterated the sides over here, but you saw that was much better. Definitely had some burn through right there, but hey, whatever. I'm no professional. Well guys, I'm pretty happy with this thing. The welds aren't beautiful, but that was my very first time welding anything, and now I have a little burn basket. 22 bucks and some fun. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. See you later.